Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonam Rautale and I do a lot of stuff on my YouTube channel such as skincare, haircare, makeup, vlogs, paintings and lots of things on my YouTube channel. And if you have not still subscribed, then subscribe, like my videos and share with your friends. Today we are going to make, if you're watching my videos from a long time, then you know whose voice is this. Okay, so today we are going to prepare mutton with Sauji recipe. And if you are a foodie, then you must be knowing what is Sauji recipe. And today we are going to do my mom's special recipe, how she prepares mutton. So yes, we are going to see all the stuff. You will get 4 to 5 recipes. And I have done my painting also, and that is also uploaded on my YouTube channel. So that is also uploaded on my YouTube channel. If you have not, and if you have not seen the painting, then go and watch it. The link will be in the description box. So this is the painting. I have completed recently and the full video is uploaded on my YouTube channel. How to paint these flowers, which colors you use and everything. A single flowers are on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out. And now let's start for cooking. Hi. She's my mom. And now we are going to see what she's prepared and everything. The first dish is kharabote, and my mom will tell you everything, what to put on it and everything. So yes, let's get started. This is mutton. Put a little bit of turmeric. One teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon oil. You can use any oil. I am using canola oil. This is my mom's special recipe and I love it, and like for so many years I have not had, like because of corona and everything. So yes, let's come back to the recipe. Just mix it, everything. The gas on the slow flame and let it be for at least for half an hour. Let's check on this. Oh my god. Okay, after 15 minutes I'm checking this and just stir it really well. And my camera is going to spoil now. And let it be for few minutes. I have not added any water, so this is the mutton soup type. It's like mutton water. Okay, so stir it really well and yes, close it again. 1 glass of water and again let it cook. Okay, mix it well and let it cook. This is Sauji mutton.
Baby. Bas.
Sauji chili powder. 2 tablespoon. 3 tablespoon. 4 tablespoon. Okay, 4 tablespoon chili powder. This is Sauji coriander powder, and if you want to know this recipe, then comment me in the comment section, or you can just put any coriander powder if you have. And
Hello.
2 tablespoons of oil, and mix it really well. It looks so delicious. So this is a paste of garlic and coriander. 1 tablespoon.
Teaspoon.
Okay. Shravani, teaspoon ke tablespoon?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon ka.
Dal.
Hey. Why?
Was.
You don't like garlic smell? No? Why? Nose मध्ये गेलं. हो. And 2 tablespoons of curd. And after that, mix it really well. हाताने केलं तर चांगलं होतं का?
खूप चांगलं होतं.
बर. Mom is saying, like, if anyone doesn't know Marathi, it's like you should mix with hands. It tastes really amazing. So try it, because I have never tried it. I always mix it with my spatula or spoon. So yeah.
आता एक 15 मिनिट ठेवायचं.
अच्छा, you should keep it for 15 minutes. बेटा स्वयंपाक बनवत नाही? स्वयंपाक बस चला, थकली आज बेटा. After 15 minutes, you can add cut tomatoes. Add 1.5 tomato and just mix it really well. And this is my papa.
Hi.
पापा मम्मी आए तो पार्टी तो बनती है ना. 3 tablespoon oil for this mutton rasa. You do prepare all these recipes and let me know in the comment section, do you like or no. And add all the mutton into this kadhai. And this is a cooker. This is a 5-liter cooker, and it comes with 3 lids. So I love this. It has a really thick bottom, so use really thick vessel for this. You can see how thick this is. So use a thick vessel for this.
मटणाचं जे पाणी सुटलेलं असतं ना, ते पाणी सुटल्यानंतर जे सुकल्यानंतर मग दुसरं पाणी ॲड करायचं. तो पण ॲड करायचं नाही.
I have prepared so many times mutton, but this tip I never knew. After 15 minutes, do check the mutton and do not add any water. This is the mutton's water. After this water is dried up, soaked up, you can add a little bit of water, the masala water, and just mix this. Wow. कळला का रस्सा आता? आणि कुकर. Third recipe is of keema. This is like keema unda. Huh? Keema unde. It is called keema.
सावजी खिमा उंडा.
Okay, Sauji keema unda. And you should mice this. If you get keema also of mutton, that is really nice, but we didn't get mutton keema, so we are just making the pieces of it, and then we are going to grind it in a grinder. Kaimache unde. Hoka. Hoka. Papi. Hi.
लसूण, कोथिंबीर, आला पेस्ट,
Ginger paste and keema and little bit of salt. I have mixed pink salt and normal salt, so you can use anyone as you like, and little bit of turmeric. Wow, nice. This is the way how you should get all the mutton miced, and then you can add a tablespoon. Huh? Okay, 2 tablespoon of coconut powder. If you don't have coconut powder, you can add
सॉफ्ट जर उंडे व्हायचं असेल तर त्यांच्यानी 2 फ्लावर घालायचं.
papaya flowers.
पपाया फ्लावर्स असं मिक्स करताना, ग्राइंड करताना.
Okay. So if you want your undas to get really soft, you can add papaya flowers to make it really soft, or you can add a coconut powder. So today we don't have papaya flowers, so we are adding coconut powder, and coconut powder does the same thing. So I'm giving you 2 options. If you don't have coconut powder, you can papaya flowers, and if you don't have papaya flowers, then you can put coconut powder, and if you don't have coconut powder,
कोकोनट घालायचं, नाही तर फुटाण्याचं पावडर.
अच्छा, मग फुटाण्याचं powder. So you
आणि
have
खोबरं घातल्यानंतर क्वांटिटी पण वाढते. 4 उंडे व्हायचे ते 6 उंडे होतात.
color. Making of undas. Add 2 tablespoon of oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use any vegetable oil, and start making undas. Undas are ready. 2 tablespoon of oil. Add all the undas. Do not use a spoon. Do not use a spoon whenever you mix this, and add tomatoes. This is approximately 1 tomato, and just keep it for a while. This is ginger, garlic, coriander, chili paste, and just add everything and just put up the lid. After 5 minutes, see the mutton and just stir it a little bit, so everything is mixed really nicely. Now we are going to add this masala. काय बेटा? आलं का parcel? So my dad and my daughter went and got this parcel. I don't know what is in this, so let's check. Look at my daughter. She's so into the parcel, like what is in it, and she does this all the time. I think this is my husband's harmonium bag. Yes, it is. My husband got a harmonium bag and he will be so happy. This is a customized bag from Amazon. You do get customized bags. Wow. This bag is awesome. It's really beautiful. It's cushion. It's real nice. You like it? Yes? See you. Wow. What is this name?
कलीच्या.
Comment me in the comment section who loves liver, because we love liver.
खाल्ल्यानं बी नाही वाटतं.
Oh,
खूप चांगलं आहे. बायकांना तर खूप चांगलं.
well.
बायकांनी हे खायला पाहिजे महिन्याला एकदा तरी.
So my mom is saying like whoever the ladies should have this liver once a month, because it just is really good for hemoglobin, your blood, everything. So if you have not tried liver, do try it. 2 tablespoons of oil and 250 gram of liver, and keep this for how many minutes?
15 ते 20 मिनिटं.
Add tomatoes, 1 tomato, mix well. Salt, 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon. स्वादानुसार पण चालेल.
हल्दी, turmeric.
हल्दी, turmeric and chili powder. आताच घालायचं चिली पावडर. 2 tablespoon of chili powder. लाजवाब, लाजवाब. आपके भी मुंह में पानी आता होगा ना, तो आप बनाइए, खाइए और मुझे कमेंट कीजिए आपको कैसा लगा. Bone soup. You can give this for kids. Like my daughter loves it, so it's really good for bones and all. So now check out the recipe. Add that into a cooker. Two tomatoes, turmeric, salt. I have a mixed salt, so you can use any salt. 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it really well. और हो गया. थोड़ा सा पानी और हो गया.
1 glass.
1 glass water and put on the gas on. 6th recipe.
बिरंजी भात.
Okay, biranji bhat. 2 tablespoons of ghee, then bay leaves. These are the bay leaves. I'm just adding them. And then this is ginger, garlic, coriander paste. And 1 chili, just put slices into 2 and just stir it. Let me stir it. Okay. 1 onion and coriander. Okay, this is the remaining coriander. It's not necessary you should add the coriander extra. Just add 1 onion. Let this ginger garlic paste get really smoked out. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. This is also Sauji garam masala. 1 teaspoon salt.
Taste.
As per your taste. Mix it really nicely. This is a punni rice. This is specially you get it in Kerala. This rice is really nice. And it gets really soft. It gets really soft and really amazing. So this rice is really good for kids and all. So this is a premium quality punni rice, and I have washed it. I have drained down the water for 2 or 3 times. I'm going to add 2 glasses of water into this masala.